Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Myself Srinidhi of some Computer Science and Data Science Department studying in Sri Venkateshwar College of Engineering, Bangalore. Now I'm going to explain about the topic what is civil engineering. Civil engineering. Civil engineering is a type of engineering that focus on designing and building structures such as buildings, roads, bridges, tunnels and water system. Civil engineers use their knowledge of physics, mathematics and material science and safe, efficient and sustainable. There are some scope of different field of civil engineering. The scopes such as surveying, structural engineering, geotechnical engineering, hydrolysis and water engineering, transportation engineering, environmental engineering, construction planning and project making, earthquake engineering, remote sensing and GIS. Let us see about the surveying. What is surveying? That is, the study of surveying enables the engineer to determine relative positions of point on the surface of the earth. Before the construction of any structure, surveying of the land on which construction is come up is always done. From the field, observation in surveying taken in the horizontal plane and a plan is prepared of the existing features of ground. Relative position of points in the vertical plane are shown by sections obtained by taking measurements in the vertical plane. Now, some of the common instruments used for surveying are tape, chain, compass, auto level, theodolite, total station, GPS, and drone. There are two classification of surveying, such as plane surveying and geodetic surveying. Next, structural engineering. Structural engineering deals with wide variety of structural systems like buildings, bridges, dams, transportation system, water and sewage systems, distribution facilities, power generation stations, storage tanks, and many other facilities that must have adequate strength to resist safely many loads that act on it during its lifetime. Structural engineering plays a vital role in planning, designing, and building the structure. Structural analysis and design are the main components of structural engineering. Following are the scopes of structural engineering: analysis and design of dams, bridges, stadiums, etc. Analyzing and design of power stations, analyzing and design of steel industry structures, repair, rehabilitation and maintenance of structure, design of nuclear power plants, design of structural reinforcement for different type of structural components. Now coming to geotechnical engineering. Geotechnical engineering is a branch of civil engineering, is also called as soil mechanics. It is a discipline civil engineering in which the study of soil, its behavior on the application of load and its use as an engineering material in the construction of earth dams. The properties of strength, characters of different types of soil are studied in this subject. The knowledge of the subject is useful in the design of earth, dams, different pile foundation, buildings, foundations, etc. Here are some scopes of geotechnical engineering. To assess the quality and strength of soil or rock, to construct civil engineering structure, to design retaining walls for soil retainment, to decide type of foundation for different types of structures, for designing of underground structures such as tunnels, shafts, conduits, design of earth dams and for storage of water, for the design of road for transportation facilities. Now coming to fluid mechanics and hydrolysis. It is a branch of science which deals with the study of fluids, that is liquid and gas, in rest or in motion. Usually, the liquid is water and subjected is titled hydrolysis. When the water is at rest, the forces exerted by the water on the immersed area are found out by the laws of mechanics. Thus, the knowledge of these forces is useful in designing of the gates used to control the flood water in the case of dams. Let us see some scopes of hydrolysis. To measure the discharge of water in the rivers for design of bridges, design of hydroelectric power plants for generation of electricity, design of pumps and turbines, design of water supply schemes for the city which includes designs of pipes and pumps, design of canal to carry water to irrigation land from dams, design of weirs for dams. Next, coming water resources engineering. Water is such a commodity that is vital for the existence of mankind. We all know that human beings, animals, and plants require water for survival. Surface water is easy and economical to harness. However, its availability cannot be relied upon continuously since it with the season to season. Water resources engineering can be defined as a science which deals with the subject of tapping water either from surface or subsurface sources. A water resources is such a vast subject that it includes in itself hydrology, irrigation, hydrolysis, and water supply. Let us see some scopes of water resource engineering. To record the total discharge of water from rainfall from catchment areas, to design the reservoir capacity to store the water, water quality management and pollution control, scope for usage of water for garden and recreation centers, design of water supply system for cities and industrial, flood mitigation, land drainage and culverts for control of water. Let us see about transportation engineering. This subject deals with the transport of men and materials through different communication routes such as land, water, and air. The railways and roads are the important modes of communication by land. The water transport is feasible only where the rivers, canals, and navigable or the where sea coast is available. Transportation by air routes is also increasing day by day. The transportation of men and goods for shorter distance can be speedily done by the road transport, whereas railway transport is considered safe and convenient for long distance. Now let us see some scopes of transportation engineering. It involves planning, designing, construction, operation and maintenance of transport facility. Planning and designing of air trips, runways, roads, harbors and railways. Maintenance and upgradations of harbors, airports, railway system based on requirements. It contributes economic, industrial and social cultural development of any country. Design of traffic signal for control of traffic. Let us see about the environmental engineering. This is an important branch of civil engineering which covers both water supply and sanitary engineering. The importance of clean environment was felt with the rapid growth in population and growth in urbanization and industries. Environmental is polluted through the mediums of air, water or such as agents. There are some scopes of environmental engineering, like it involves the collection of water purification and supply for drink, wastewater collection, treatment and disposal, air pollution control and treatment, solid waste management and controls, e-waste management control and treatment, construction waste management and control. Now, let us see about construction planning and project making. Construction planning. Construction is a major activity of civil engineering which continuously improving. As the cost of land is going up, there is a demand for tall structures in urban areas, while the rural areas need is for low cost of construction. One has to develop technology using locally available materials. In India, CBRI such as Central Building Research Institute and other education institutes have contributed for such initiatives. Project management. What is project management? Project planning for the construction equipments and machinery for construction project deals with planning, scheduling and execution of construction activity related to a project. Comprises of material, time and money management. Emphasis will be on new construction practice such as precast construction and prestigious construction, safely of men and metal, utilization or marginal materials. Let us see some following scopes of construction planning and project making. Planning for construction equipments and machinery for construction project deals with planning, scheduling and execution of construction activities related to project. Comprises of men, materials, time and money management. Emphasis will be on new construction practice such as precast construction and pre-stress construction. Safety of men and material utilization and marginal materials, etc. Let us see about earthquake engineering. An earthquake is a sudden and rapid shaking of a ground due to passage of vibration beneath caused by the transient distribution of elastic and gravitational equilibrium of rocks. The scientific study of earthquakes is called seismology. Earthquakes are measured using observation from seismometers. Seismic waves are recorded on instruments called seismographs. The time, location and magnitude of an earthquake can be determined from the data recovered by seismograph stations. Now let us move on the last topic, that is remote sensing and GIS. This is one of the new field. The improvement in space technology, availability of GPS enhance the scope of geographic information system. Good mapping techniques helps to get required information accurately and quickly to efficiently manage and monitor the available resources for optimal use. GIS is a high-tech equivalent of map. It represents a means to locate ourselves in relation to world around us. It deals with the measurement, mapping, monitoring, and modeling of geographic information around us. Thank you.